TV viewers, have you ever wondered about those daily products that you use? Could be your dress, your shoes, your creams, or even the smallest thing that you cannot do your day without? Well, don't worry, that's what this show is all about. All your questions about how those products are going to be made is going to be answered on this show. Welcome to the very first episode of Have You Seen It? I'm your host, Shri. We are now at the Daffy Health Care Pvt. Ltd. Daffy Health Care Pvt. Ltd. Are the manufacturers of the skin products, healthcare products, baby products for some of the finest brands across the globe. And not just that, they have their very own home brand, and that's called the Debelle products. So let's get in and see how these products are actually manufactured. Well, Have You Seen It is about that, right? Come on. So now I'm in the change area. We're about to enter the production area, and I'm not supposed to enter the production area with all these assets. Whoa, the doctor feels. Yeah, so I'm ready.
Established in the year 2011, Daffy Health Care Pvt. Ltd. is a leading contract manufacturer of talcum powder, personal care, healthcare, and nutritional supplements for a wide range of corporate clients.
So we're currently in the dispensing room of Daffy Group. So as you can see here, this person is actually measuring. So what they do in this room is they measure the materials and send it for production. So as you can see, he's actually putting the materials in and he's actually calculating. So the exact quantity needs to go in for production.
The storage facility of Daffy Groups houses raw materials from across the globe, which are segregated based on their chemical compositions. All the raw materials here in the storage area are subjected to testing by certified research team, after which they are labeled accordingly.
So I'm standing in the fragrance room of Daffy Group. So basically what happens is any material with a very strong fragrance or scent comes in here. And this room is actually temperature controlled. The temperature here is comparatively low. So it's kind of cold here, it's pretty cold. But everything here has a very strong smell and fragrance. So as you can see,
the red labels are used to indicate that the product has failed the initial test, and thus it is sent to the rejected section.
So I am currently standing outside the rejected material room of Daffy Group. So all the materials that have failed the quality check test come to this room. So all the materials that are not good enough to go into production are sent to this room. Okay, so currently I'm standing in the research and quality lab of Daffy Group. So this is where all the research and quality check is done of all the products. So even the raw materials come in and then they check them, and also if there's any research or if any new products need to be done, they come in here, and then that's where they kind of invent new products or check the raw materials of the products that are used in production. So I'm standing outside the manufacturing area of Daffy Group. Okay, let's go inside and find out what Srimati is up to.
Hey Priyanka, I thought you just got lost. Where were you?
I wasn't lost, I was actually upstairs. So I looked at their research and quality check room. I looked at where they keep their raw materials, how it's bought in, their dispensing room and all of that, and I've just come here. What have you been up to?
I'm just starting off with the manufacturing section, you know.
Very
and
interesting.
this happens to be the first area of manufacturing section. So this is where the raw materials are actually processed, melted, mixed, and they're all getting prepared to become the end products. So,
Okay, Srimati, why don't I just hand this over to you, and why don't you go ahead and show them what is done after this?
sure, I'll be glad to do. Shall we go?
Okay.
Come.
Yeah.
The raw I actually saw the making of those products that I use every day. So we just saw the manufacturing section where the raw materials are mixed and prepped, right? So what happens to them after that? So after having mixed, they're sent to the filling section. So there are two filling sections where one is meant for the jar filling and the other is meant for the tube filling. But before that, these jars and these tubes are cleaned and made sure that there is no contamination at all. So after that is ensured, they are sent to the filling section where the raw materials are filled to the tubes and jars, and these are again not just machine tested, they are manually tested to ensure that there is no damages, leakages and even the disproportionate packaging. Isn't that fascinating? So after the filling, this is where they are sent, packaged, sealed and sent out.
The Debelle products are made using some of the best and organic ingredients which are safe and effective for your skin. All the waste produced during the manufacture is sent for the processing unit where it is recycled. Daffy Groups do not use animal testing for their products. Their products range from creams, shampoo, balms, lotions, oils, face packs, powders, gels and ointments.
So here we are after that fascinating tour around the Daffy Health Care Pvt. Ltd. So we just saw how some of the finest skincare products are made here, and after all that rigorous manufacturing and testing, here they are, the end products. Like I told you earlier, the Daffy Groups have their own home brand, and that is called the Debelle skin products, and they range from skincare lotions to nail polishes to talcs and fairness cream. And let me tell you, these products are manufactured with mulberry extracts, jojoba oil, shea butter and many more. And I must definitely tell you that all these products are so skin friendly. You must definitely try them. And what these products are, Priyanka is going to tell you because she seems to be very interested in it.
Thank you so much, Srimati. Yes, I am really interested to find out more about these products actually. And I must say, what an amazing journey this was. Okay, so let me just walk you through and let's find out more about the products that are right here. Okay, so this is the Debelle moisturizing lotion, and it's made with shea butter, cocoa butter and jojoba oil. And it's really nice for smooth and younger looking skin. It also has SPF in it, by the way. It's really nice, I must say. Okay, so their nail polish, the Debelle nail polish comes in 9 colors and it's also made with natural seaweed extract. Very, very few nail polishes out there have this kind of extract.
For different clients and which is exported to several countries around the world.
Daffy Group started off with the packaging industry catering to the cosmetic segment, and from there 5 years from then we went on into, we had a forward integration into manufacturing cosmetics, and we cater to manufacturing cosmetics for about 15 major brands of the country. Forward from there we started off our own brand which is called Debelle. So Debelle was started off as a natural based cosmetic brand with an aim to deliver high quality, efficient products in the natural based segment of cosmetics. in the current era of increased consciousness about our appearance for both men and for women, we understand the concern of knowing your products, and this is the reason why we have created safe, efficient and quality-driven products with paraben-free, sulfate-free and natural-based cosmetics. Debelle product has been uniquely formulated by an award-winning cosmetologist in the area, and by amalgamating the best of nature with technology, we rely on our backbone of comprehensively researched, scientifically proven and result-oriented formulas, which is manufactured in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, which you may already have seen maybe until now. It is one amongst the only industries in the country which is internationally audited and approved and capable of manufacturing and exporting cosmetics across the world. Debelle range of products consists of our very well-known product, which is Debelle Finest Cream. That's the product that we started off with, which has been ranked as the top 5 instant brightness creams in the country. Furthermore, in September 2016, that's last year, we won an award for the best natural-based cosmetic products in Thailand at the Indo-Asian Global Investment Summit held in Bangkok, Thailand. This award ceremony was aired on Zee Business as the Rising Star of India Awards, and we were one amongst the 60 top brands in the country to win this award, prestigious award. But recently we have come up with a very unique product, which is the natural nail polish, which is one of its kind in India currently. And so this natural nail polish contains natural extracts, the seaweed, which gives you added benefits for your nails, along with making your nails look beautiful in the latest trendy colors of, you know, glossy, matte finish. Name it and we have it probably. Debelle stands for The Beautiful in French. We strongly believe that beauty begins from within. So when you feel good, you look good. And further than that, you've got to invest in good skincare products for yourself to make you look beautiful and youthful all along. Which speaks for our motto, bring out the beautiful you with Debelle.
So that's the end of our very first episode on Have You Seen It at Daffy Health Care Pvt. Ltd, the manufacturers of the Debelle products, which won the Best Upcoming Brand in the World Brand Summit in 2016. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. So the next time when I'm coming to you, I'm going to come back with another interesting making in process for you. Until then, keep watching YTV. This is Srimati signing off.